Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this crazy clown look. This is quite a simple and easy colourful look, so we're just going in with some foundation to start with. Just taking a light foundation here. This is the Kat Von D foundation. I'm actually not a fan of it and I have actually got rid of it since because it is quite drying, but we are just going in with that foundation anyway. If you do have a lighter foundation or if you want to paint your face white, then you could do that as well, but this is just how I've done it. Then we're just going in with a little bit of white powder and we're just setting that foundation. Now we're just doing the eyes and I'm going in with a little bit of pink eyeshadow in the crease just for the inner part, and then I do blend some purple in the outer part as well. So it's going from pink to purple, and I'm also just doing a pretty simple eye just because I am mainly doing like the clown face. Now I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and I'm just going over the main majority of the eyelid here, and I'm just going in with like an iridescent white pink shimmer. Now you can't really notice it, it is quite subtle, but you can see it a little bit here. It's kind of shimmering a little bit of light pink, so that's the colour that I do go over the eyelids with. Then I'm just going in with a little bit of eyeliner and we are moving on to the clown design now. This could be a lot better, it's definitely not my best work, but if you do mess up guys, it is super easy just to fix it. So I did see a very similar design on Google when I was searching these kind of looks, and this is the kind of design I decided to take inspiration from. So I'm just going with some black face paint, and this is the kind of clown design that we're going for today. I wanted this to be quite a funky but unusual kind of clown, so I started doing some colours around the black lining of the clown. I've just put in with a mixture of colours here just to make it quite colourful and funky. Now I'm just going with a purple lipstick. This one is just by Revolution. I think it's called Liberty. Kind of trying to keep like the clown look quite basic and simple. Just adding a little pop of colour here and there. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of blusher and we're just putting that on the cheeks. I'm just adding some lashes just to glamour it up a little bit. And I did add some little gems as well. It's not really a Louise look if it doesn't have any gems. Now I'm just going in with a little kind of iridescent glitter. I did do this on the lips and I've done it around all the black areas on the clown. And this is this look, to be fair. Pretty simple, pretty easy, quite a crazy clown. She is a little bit nuts, but this is the character that I created. I'll see you guys in my next videos.